the only controls event that we need to go to, because all the vendors that we use are here and they show us everything we need to see.
I totally agree. It helps to be local, and SeaTac knows everybody we work with in this area. So.
Everything's in one space, and just to kind of see what all of the options are in terms of lighting controls and how we can incorporate them into our design and build in and make our designs better.
In my opinion, what sets this event aside from all other industry events that I've been to is the expanse knowledge that the sales team has. I mean, their name is SeaTac Lighting Controls for a reason. It's because they've really honed down on what controls means and how it applies to the electrical contractor and applies to the engineering firm. SeaTac has some of the best salespeople in the industry.
We wanted to come learn about controls.
Yeah, always fun coming. I've been coming for the last 3 years, and it's always just a fun one. It's always great to come out.
Putting the names to the emails, because normally I don't get to see the faces behind the email.
Say the quality of the manufacturers you have here, just how you guys get on really well, running them with classes.
I came to get more familiar with the 4 classes you guys are providing and to see what's new out there in the market.
I was more for the hands-on approach to see kind of what controls they look like, just how they work and all that, as well as meet people, get connected.
Super fun people. It's been a great morning. Lots of new things that are coming to our region in terms of code, in terms of products, and this is a great opportunity to see all that in one spot. Yeah, I feel like I'm walking away today with a better understanding of